The mushroom
Here what we do,
division.
we grow mushroom. And what are mushrooms? Mushrooms are macrofungi that is visible with the naked. You can see with the naked eyes. It can be picked with your bare hands. At the same time, it is either epigeous or hypogeous. It can grow beneath or above. So we convert waste to wealth. What do I mean by waste to wealth? Meaning that things you say like this is a palm bunch. Physically, in the common sense, it's a waste product. We have taken the nuts. There is palm kernel from it. There is fruit, palm nut fruits that we use for cooking our soup, all the rest. But it's still very useful. It's very useful. It's a medium which we grow mushroom, and this now, in a simple terminology, is called a substrate. Now, substrates are mediums which we grow mushroom. For example, this one inside this bottle is the common sawdust that we see is a substrate for the growth of mushroom. Other substrates that we can mention, like the Indian bamboo leaf, is a substrate. Rice straw, I have the rice straw, but I didn't bring it out. Rice straw, you know, when you have harvested the rice, the stems, those tiny parts, when you have taken off the grain, that is called the rice straw. You chop it into smaller sizes. You use it to grow mushroom. There is a particular mushroom you will grow. You use it for two mushrooms. One is milky mushroom, and the other one is paddy straw mushroom. As the name implies, they use straw to grow it. They call it paddy straw. That's the name of the mushroom. If you Google it, you will see it. The full name is Volverella volvesii. The scientific name, but we commonly call it paddy straw. So that's how mushroom is. And mushroom has a life cycle from the spore. From the spore to the mycelia to a fruiting body, in summary. But there are other small, minor processes it will go. Like what we see now. This is a test tube. We prepare a medium, a growth medium to grow the mushroom. This is called the mother spawn in mushroom production. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R-O-N, spawn, S-P-A-W-N, mother spawn. Remember, this you see is still a spawn. It's called a grain spawn. And this is mother spawn. After the first stage is the mother spawn. When you are done with the mother spawn, you now transfer the mother spawn to this guinea corn you are seeing, the grains, which is the grain spawn. Now, the mycelia has colonized these grains. It's in a cellophane. You can use a bottle to do this. So the process, let me quickly run down the process for us. The first thing you will do, you get a PDA, potato dextrose agar, for the growth of fungi. We have what we call nutrient agar. They use it to grow bacteria, but this one we use PDA for fungi. So you mix it. There is a manufacturer's instruction on the PDA. 39 grams to 1 liter of water, or 1000 milliliter of water, or 1 liter. You can say 1000 ml or 1 liter of water to 39 grams. You stir the solution. You now undergo through fire heating to melt the lumps from the PDA. Then you dispense it to the test tube. After dispensing to the test tube, you now transfer the test tube to the autoclave for sterilization. When you are done with the sterilization process, you bring it out, you allow it to cool down. By then, now the media will now solidify. It will settle down. It was in liquid state. Now it has been transformed. So as at that point, you now get a fruiting body, a mushroom like this. You dissect it into two, open it up, get a tissue, inner tissue, not from the surface. Why we don't use from the surface is because of contamination. Mushroom production is prone to contamination. You need a serene environment to grow mushroom. So when you transfer maybe about 2 centimeters size of a tissue, you place it on the medium. You now take it for incubation. You put it in the dark room. You can call it incubation room or dark room. You observe it for 2 weeks, whether if there are competitive bodies around it.